What if I told you you could be hair-free from doing IPL treatments in the comfort of your own home in as soon as a few months? Save your money and time from going to expensive spas or having to deal with scheduling. This is the solution for you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christina Angelina if you're new here, and if you are returning, thank you so very much for coming on back. I'm going to be sharing a product with you guys today, and this is it right here. This is from Evenskyn, and it is an IPL laser hair treatment. So it is a laser hair removal treatment that you're able to do in home, which is absolutely perfect for so many different reasons, and we're going to get into that. But first, you're probably wondering, what is an IPL laser treatment? So you are exposing your hair follicles to pulses of light that over time will kill that hair follicle. So in the beginning of your laser treatments, your hair might be very coarse and you might have a lot of it. After several treatments, you'll notice that the hair becomes a lot thinner. It is a lot more sparse in areas where you actually might not have that much hair anymore. And then obviously the end goal is to be hair free. So summer is here. I don't know about you guys, but I'm wearing dresses and skirts all summer. So this couldn't have come at a perfect time. Let's go over what it looks like and how do you use it. So this is it right here. It comes with these glasses here. You want to make sure that you protect your eyes from the laser. You want to make sure that you are protected while you are using this. Now this is not cordless. It does need to be plugged in while in use. Now they state that you should use this every 2 weeks. The reason why you want to wait 2 weeks is because you want the hair to grow. Now some hair grows slower than other hairs, so you want to make sure that at least all the hairs have sprouted, so that you're getting all the hairs at once. So in the beginning I didn't know that, so I was doing it on a weekly basis. Not to say that that was absolutely terrible, but my hair was in different phases, so it makes more sense to wait every 2 weeks. The design of it, it's very, very lightweight. It's absolutely not heavy at all. I love how it has like a curve to it, so it's easier for you to hold. Online, if you check, they do have a quiz where you're able to go check to make sure that your skin color and the color or coarseness of your, I believe it's just the color of your hair, and if this would work for it. This doesn't work for absolutely everyone, every skin tone, and every hair color type. It is very specific. So if you take the test first, you'll know whether or not you would actually benefit from using this, or it actually won't do much for you. This does have 8 different settings, which I really appreciate because some areas can feel more sensitive than others. So if I'm doing my legs, I find my knees to be more sensitive. So on my legs, I might do a level 5, but on my knees, I need about a level 3 or 4 because if you've never had laser hair removal before, it literally feels like a rubber band snapping against your skin, and not in the most horrible way. Like, we're talking about like those little rubber bands that we probably put in our hair, and it's just like a zap, a zap, a zap, and that's it. It really is not a lot of pain. Like, it doesn't give you that much pain, so you're able to do it to yourself without like feeling you're in like dying pain. Let's count how many times I say pain in this video. So for the settings, I really do appreciate that because you are able to adjust it to your threshold in certain areas. Another thing is it has auto or manual. So when you're doing manual, you are able to hold down the button yourself and do specific areas, or if you do auto, which I love the auto, it automatically, all you have to do is hold it and it zaps, move it, hold it and it zaps, and it'll zap about every 2 seconds. So you have enough time for it to zap and replace it. And move your placement and zap it again, and so on and so forth. So it's very continuous, and you don't have to worry about like having it on manual and stressing out your finger from pressing the button and pressing the button and pressing the button. And it will not go off unless it is completely flushed against your skin. What is wrong with me today, you guys? Bear with me. So they do say with the settings though, if you have darker skin, you want to stay to a lower level, and then if you have lighter skin, you can go higher. You just really want to go with the manual. Just make sure that you're doing it correctly and that you're not going to hurt yourself in any way or just use it improperly, and it's not going to give you the benefits that you want, and then it'll just be a waste of money basically. Okay, so let's talk about my personal experience with this. So far, honestly, I'm very happy with it. It does work. Now, I've noticed my hair to be extremely coarse, obviously in the beginning, especially on my legs, right? Now, I'm the type of person who would shave, and in 4 to 6 hours later, I had stubble. Like, it took no time to have stubble. And if I went outside or if I was cold just in general, I could feel the hair growing back even quicker. Like, it was ridiculous. With this, my 6-hour hair, I would get it 2 days later. So it's slowing the process of growth on my leg hairs. Now, where am I using it right now? I've been using it on my legs. I have been using it on my bikini area. You want to be careful not to get it too close to your private areas. You want to keep it just on the bikini line. I've been doing it on my stomach. I've been doing it on my underarms. I've been doing it everywhere possible. What I have done also is on my arm. I've only selected a small area because you want to make sure that you're not really giving yourself or your body too much sun exposure while using this device. So I noticed since it is getting warmer, I have my arms more exposed daily. So I haven't wanted to give myself like a full-on laser treatment on my arms because I don't know how it will affect me with a lot of sun exposure. So I'm kind of just holding off and waiting until probably the fall time to do my arms. But I will say within the little patch that I've done, I've noticed the finer my hair is, it goes away quicker than my leg hairs, if that makes sense. Like, this is taking so much longer to grow back than my legs. I think it's because the hair is just finer. It's just easier for the hair follicles to just be zapped and done with, as opposed to my leg hairs, which are very coarse. Everyone is different. You may need more sessions than I need. I may need more sessions than you need. Overall, they say at about 2 months. So in the manual here, they are extremely thorough on how you should be using the device. If you have different hair colors, if you have a mole, if you have acne, etc., etc. So you really want to make sure that you go through every single piece of information here. And it does say after 4 to 5 treatments, which is week 6 and week 8, you should see a significant reduction of hair growth in areas that you treated, and a reduction of hair density should be visible as well. Keep on treating with frequent touch-ups every 4 weeks to maintain the result. I've probably used mine, I'm gonna say 6 times, and my hair is much thinner and I have a lot more sparse areas. So I'm just gonna keep on going and using the product, and I'm sure in a couple more sessions is all I really need to really get me to a hair-free life, if you know what I mean. And then I've also noticed, if you're someone who struggles with like strawberry legs, where when you shave you could still see the spots of where hair would be, I've noticed literally a reduction in those as well. So those sparse areas, I don't have strawberry little spots anymore. And another thing I've noticed about this device is the window. Now, if you've ever seen other laser hair devices, they're they have like this really tiny small window for you to, I'm like, how long is that gonna take me? Overall, last word, I highly recommend you guys look into this. Please head to their website and take the quiz to make sure that you are okay to use this kind of device, whether it be your skin color or your hair color. I love that they have that there, so it's not like they're just pushing a product on you and then you take it home and you're not understanding why it's not working, or if something's going wrong, why is it so. I do have a code for you guys. I will leave it down below. I'm pretty sure it'll be Chris Ange. That's pretty much the same across any brand. It will be Chris Ange, just FYI. But let me know down below what you think about this device, if you would try it, if you wouldn't try it, if you're afraid of laser hair removal, or if you need it bad like I do. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah.